Hey, it's iMasterful here. I first would like to start off by saying sorry for not doing this giveaway earlier like I wanted to on Friday. I caught the bug that's going around or something and I'm still under the weather, so I apologize for that. But anyway, let's just get into the giveaway. As you read in the title bar, I have iTunes gift cards to give away. Not only do I have one, but I have three $10 gift cards to give away. So there's going to be 3 winners. Let's just take this out here. 3 winners will win a $10 gift card, as you can see right in front of you. And yeah, you can buy songs, applications, whatever it may be in iTunes. So I'm gonna let this video run for 2 weeks. So not next week Tuesday, but the following Tuesday. I'll use a randomizer to pick up the winners as usual. I'll announce the winner first on Twitter, so if you want to know right there and then who the winner is, rather than having to wait till I upload a video on here, feel free to follow me on Twitter. The rules are simple. First and foremost, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. I'll be checking on that. Second and third, please preferably rate this video 5 stars and favorite this video, and comment below iTunes dash your comment. You can enter more than once, but please don't spam. I wouldn't want YouTube to mark your comment as spam. I want to read all your comments, so just comment once and then come back in a later time and then comment again. Just don't comment all at once, okay? So that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all for coming to my channel, watching my videos, subscribing, rating, comment. I really do appreciate it. So I'll be back soon, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!